This is Alan. We are actually at Cars N Caviar today. We're at Middle Park. I have Taz with me. Taz?
How are ya?
And I have Alex, Alf, and then Nick as well. So all of us, we collaborate together. We try to make this event happening. Thank you very much, Taz, for this wonderful event.
Thank you, guys. Thanks to the Carstyle Crew especially, Absolute Prestige Cars, obviously Maniatis Market, Metro Middle Park. Just a really fun event for the family to come down, check out the cool cars from the Carstyle Crew. Big promotion on Caviar as well this weekend. We're just trying to have some fun, get everyone together in these COVID times and staying safe. I'll put Alex on the mic.
Yeah. How you going, guys? It's an absolute privilege to be here. Maniatis Market's looked after us so well. The turnout was more than we imagined, so we're super happy and happy to show our cars to the community. I think everyone's having a great time. We're about to head off shortly, aren't we, to Paradine Estate Winery further south and head there. But yeah, like with Carstyle, we always try to support local businesses, have events. With COVID's hopefully easing down, we can do more events. So it's yeah, as you can see, that people are excited about that. So he's Alf from VOGUE. Thank him for looking after us, especially at our pre-meet before we cruise down here. You know, business we love to work with. So yeah, beautiful.
That's good. So we will see everyone next time, hey?
Yeah, see you guys soon.
Thank
see you in the next one. Yeah, go on. Go on, Theo. What do you want to say, Theo?
Hi.
Hey guys, we have Nuno here as well. Nuno, you're from Absolute Prestige Cars.
Yes.
So thank you, Nuno. Today you brought a few awesome exotics today.
No problems. Yes.
Yeah.
So today we bought the 2004 Ferrari 360 F1 Spider, which is currently for sale. We also bought a 2015 McLaren 650S, which is also for sale. But yeah, look, our company sort of diverses in the middle to high-end prestige cars.
So the main thing is like one of the special is the plate number. Hey, payday. That's like just stands out.
Yeah. We also sell number plates, believe it or not. A lot of clients bring their private plates to us.
Just such a variety of cars, beautiful, some of business finest. Yeah, if you're in the market or if you need to sell something high-end, just let Nuno know. I couldn't recommend him more. Yeah.